Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss business Norwegian, how to survive a business meeting. When you step into Norwegian commerce, you're not just engaging in transactions. You're immersing yourself in a milieu that prizes forthrightness, punctuality, and egalitarianism. To not just get by, but to excel in a Norwegian business meeting, a well rounded repertoire of business Norwegian terms, and an understanding of culture etiquette can set you apart. Embracing cultural insights. The cultural fabric of Norwegian business is intricately woven with threads of transparency and communal decision making. These cultural tenets are mirrored in the language and interaction styles prevalent in business environments. Likestilling, likestilling, likestilling. Equality is not just a concept but a practice in Norwegian meeting rooms. Language as a key to success. While proficiency in English is widespread, showcasing a sincere attempt at Norwegian signals respect and effort. Grasping phrases beyond their basics conveys that you are not just a visitor, but a serious participant in the Norwegian business arena. The art of introductions. A firm, confident handshake and a gleder meg til å jobbe med deg, gleder meg til å jobbe med deg, gleder meg til å jobbe med deg. Looking forward to working with you can set the stage. Addressing counterparts with a polite D form, as in hvordan har de det, hvordan har de det, hvordan har de det, how are you, until a more familiar relationship is established, is considered good practice. Engaging in småprat, småprat, småprat. Norwegian small talk or småprat, småprat, småprat is a prelude to the main agenda. It's often brief but can be pivotal in establishing rapport. Har de hørt om? Har de hørt om? Har de hørt om? Have you heard about? Followed by a recent event or a neutral topic can be a good starter. Punctuality and structure. Being timely is non-negotiable. Beklager forsinkelsen. Beklager forsinkelsen. Beklager forsinkelsen. Sorry for the delay should be an exception, but not a norm. Once the meeting starts, a concise skal vi begynne? Skal vi begynne? Skal vi begynne? Shall we begin? From the meeting leader sets the tone for a structured and focused discussion. Constructive discussions. In conversation, express understanding with jeg forstår poenget ditt. Jeg forstår poenget ditt. Jeg forstår poenget ditt. I understand your point and agree with det er jeg enig i. Det er jeg enig i. Det er jeg enig i. I agree with that. To interject with a suggestion. Kanskje vi kunne vurdere. Kanskje vi kunne vurdere. Kanskje vi kunne vurdere. Perhaps we could consider. Is polite yet assertive. The consensus approach. Norwegian meetings often seek enighet. Enighet, consensus. So suggesting la oss finne en felles løsning. La oss finne en felles løsning. La oss finne en felles løsning. Let's find a common solution can be a diplomatic way to encourage collective decision making. Inquire about others' position with hva synes de andre? Hva synes de andre? Hva synes de andre? What do the others think? Reinforces this collaborative spirit. Effective meeting closure. Concluding a meeting effectively can be as critical as the discussion itself. Sign up with Takk for et konstruktivt møte. Takk for et konstruktivt møte. Takk for et konstruktivt møte. Thank you for a constructive meeting. Ensuring that you acknowledge the collective effort. Confirm action items and next steps by asking hvem skal gjøre hva innen hvilke tidspunkter? Hvem skal gjøre hva innen hvilke tidspunkter? Hvem skal gjøre hva innen hvilke tidspunkter? Who is doing what by what times? Post-meeting protocol. Following up is a sign of professionalism. A detailed referat, referat minutes sent out with a takk for en god diskusjon, takk for en god diskusjon, takk for en god diskusjon. Thank you for a good discussion. Affirms that you value the meeting's outcomes and your Norwegian counterpart's time. Social business encounters. In less formal settings such as lunsjmøte, 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 lunch meeting, the conversation may be more relaxed, but the professional undertone remains. Offer compliments on the meal with a heartfelt maten var utmerket, maten var utmerket, maten var utmerket. The food was excellent, to acknowledge the hospitality. Ongoing language mastery. Adopt an attitude of continuous learning. Familiarize yourself with sector-specific vocabulary and current business terms, asking kan vi ta opp tråden neste gang? Kan vi ta opp tråden neste gang? Kan vi ta opp tråden neste gang? Can we pick up the thread next time? Shows anticipation for future dealings and an eagerness to maintain engagement. Excelling in a Norwegian business meeting goes beyond linguistic preparedness. It encompasses a full engagement with the culture and communicative norms. Arm yourself with a nuanced vocabulary such as jeg ser fram til et fruktbart samarbeid. Jeg ser fram til et fruktbart samarbeid. Jeg ser fram til et fruktbart samarbeid. I look forward to a fruitful collaboration, and you'll transition from surviving to thriving in the world of Norwegian business. Do you want to learn more Norwegian and take Norwegian classes and courses? We are offering courses in classroom in Oslo and online. We teach and offer classes at all levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. So please register for classes at nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you have a friend that wants to study Norwegian, you can also refer us to your friend. You will get $150 when your friend starts taking classes, and your friend also will get $100. If you're interested in our referral program, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.